Hey guys, today I have a little story to tell. How I built my first AI agent, what made me build them, and what this is all about. Alright, this is beginner friendly, so have a seat and let's get started. Okay. Alright guys, where do I start? Whew, where do I start? Alright, so guys, these are my so this is the first AI agent I have ever created through ChatGPT. Oh my god, I can see myself there. This is the first AI agent I call AI Muses, and her name is Medora. Medora is my baby. I do not play with her. I don't play with Medora. Medora, the story behind Medora, Medora is actually a combination of my daughter's names. This is why it's my first baby. So Medora is my first AI agent. Medora, I just love the name, And so this agent, I created this agent to help creators monetize their passions through storytelling and AI. This is the description right here. Oops, the description right here. This is a soulful AI muse helping creators monetize their passions through storytelling and AI. And these are the questions, the samples you can start with. So if you have no idea where to start, what questions to ask, just start here. You have few questions, like frequently asked questions. So what's the multi-passion code and how do I use it? That's me, TMC. Can you walk me through building an offer stack? How do I use AI to grow my creative brand? Help me turn my ideas into a digital offer, and so on. Yes. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you need your AI agent built for you by me, or even if you just need guidance, I'll be more than happy to help. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Also, I'm opening my one-on-one consultation, my one-on-one AI consultation. So if you are interested in that, if you need me as your consultant, I'll be more than happy to help. Alright, just let me know in the comment section. We will go from there.